Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatibuyi, also known as Babiweje. Another testimony. I want you to watch the video.
Any enemies that block your way spiritually, they will stay far away from you by the grace of Almighty God. And lọ́la kó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn lóní gbàgbọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. La ilaha illallah. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n iná ṣe mọ̀ lóyún. Fàyàkùn rẹ̀ la fi ń ṣe tiwa. Ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé, èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò. Ọba ńlá ń dákun máa jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́, ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí, ìwọ lọ́ba.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatibuyi, also known as Babiweje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070 37 42 25 52, or you message me on 07 on WhatsApp 090 5333 2747. In today's video, I want to share you a powerful assignment that you can use to defeat anyone that's delaying your progress. And after this assignment, your enemies will run or will stay far away from you by the grace of Almighty God. It's like I've explained something like this in one of my live video, but I don't remember. But if I never explain it, I want to use this opportunity to explain it. And if you follow my simple instruction, by the grace of Almighty God, you are going to get a good result. Are you with me? You need egg and jatropha leaf. This leaf you are seeing is very powerful. You may call it flowers. You may have it in your compound, but you don't know the benefit of it. This leaf and one egg, you can use it to defeat anyone on your way. You understand what I mean by it? Anyone on your way? If someone is using spiritual power to disturb you spiritually, they are delaying your progress spiritually, or they are fighting with you spiritually, or they are planning something bad to you spiritually. And you know that whatever thing that happened to you spiritually is going to affect you physically. So that is why you need to build up yourself spiritually. You understand? So this is what you need. In Yoruba language, we call this ewe lapa pupa. And you know we have two types of this leaf, jatropha leaf. We have the white one and we have the red one. We also call it ewe iyalode pupa. You understand? And this is egg. This is egg. You can use a Greek egg. Because in olden day, there's nothing like this egg. That's why they are using local egg. And local egg, 100% is natural. If you use local egg, 100% is natural. But this one, I cannot say that this one is natural because they are using chemicals to feed those chicken. You understand? Chicken that produce this egg. But if you can't use this Greek egg, you can also use local egg. It's very good. You understand? So what are you going to do? This leaf, you get it as much as you can. You understand? This size is okay. Are you with me? You put it in a pot. Are you with me? Then you put one egg, only one egg. Put it in that pot together with this leaf. And you add enough of water. Water you know that you can use to bathe every part of your body. You add it to it. You boil this leaf together with this egg at least 20 minutes. Boil it very well. So when the egg is done, remove the pot from the fire. You stir it. You stir the water. You filter it. Remove your egg. Keep this egg somewhere safe. Are you with me? So the water that you use to boil this leaf and the egg, go and use to wash every part of your body with any soap of your choice. Do not mix another water to this water. You must use only the water that you use to boil the egg and this leaf. You understand? Or because the water is not too much and you want to use it to wash every part of your body and you are not adding another water to it, it's not good. Are you with me? So after the bathing, after you use the water to wash every part of your body, take the egg. The egg. Are you with me? Break this egg. Remove the shell and you eat this egg. So the shell of this egg and the leaf, go and throw them away. After this assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, any enemies that block your way spiritually, they will stay far, far away from you by the grace of Almighty God. And whenever they set their eyes on you, they will not even stand to have any bad mind with you again by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow my simple instruction. So please, if you have any other question to ask me, feel free to comment or you feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552 or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. Thank you for watching. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè táyé máa ṣe wẹ́ńjẹ́. Ẹ lórí ètò yìí a máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àṣírí ewé àtegbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké tí kò pani lára. Èyí tá a mú wá fún wa ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo ewé làpálàpá pupa àti odidi ẹyìn kan tá a máa fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ atúmọ̀ ọ̀tá, tá a máa fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ ìṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá. Ọ̀tá tí ó ń dàyàn láàmú lójú ayé tó tún ń dàyàn láàmú lójú oorun. Tá a bá ti lo iṣẹ́ ìtàn lágbára Ọlọ́run, wọn tí ẹ ní lè dúró láti máa síjú ojú wa mọ́. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, gbogbo èròǹgbà wọn dẹ̀ ní tí wọ́n bá ti ń ṣàṣìyàn lójú oorun pàbó ní ìmọ̀já sí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, tí Ọlọ́run ó sì ṣe àlékún àrísìkí fún yàn tí ó bá ọ̀tá wí gan. Torí tí ọ̀tá bá pọ̀ jù nínú ìgbésí ayé èèyàn, kò síbi tẹ́dá fẹ́ lọ, àfi k'Ọlọ́run bá yàn ṣẹ́gun ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, k'Ọlọ́run kó bá yàn ṣẹ́gun. Ṣé wá rí ewé tẹ̀ ń wò lọ́wọ́ mi? À ń pè ní ewé làpálàpá pupa. Ọ̀pọ̀ alámọ̀ sí fúláwà tá a gbìn káàkiri àdúgbò tá a mọ̀ṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe. Ṣé rí ewé tá a bá rí, tá a bá já tó bá pọ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹyin adìẹ ìbílẹ̀ tàbí ẹyin Greek, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe méjèèjì pẹ̀lú omi tó bá tó wá wẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kó jiná. Tó bá ti wá jiná, ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ omi sínú báàfù kan, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ tọ́jú ẹyin yìí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká fi omi yìí ká fi wẹ gbogbo ara wa pẹ̀lú ọṣẹ èyíkéyìí tó bá wù wá, ẹ jẹ́ ká fi wẹra wa. Tá a bá ti wá wẹ̀ tán, tá a bá ti wọlé, ẹ jẹ́ ká mú ẹyin ká fọ́, ká bò, ká jẹ. Tá a bá ti jẹ, èpo ẹyin àti ewé tó kù, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ dànù ni. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, ìmọ̀ta ó tú, àṣírí wọn ó tú, wọn àdẹ̀ nílè lágbára láti ṣe nǹkan kan lórí wa mọ́. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. ẹ̀rí èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí wíńjẹ́ ẹ̀yin tó bá dìgbà míì á tún mọ́rọ̀ mi tó tún yàtọ̀ sílé ìwá ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kílè kó fa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lọ́rọ̀ nǹkan mi tàṣí
lọ́la kó bá yà kó ọlọ́run ọba ewé ajẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́ ewé la ilaha illallah alawalu alakiru asọhiru abatinu ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde yé alárágbá yìí dániyàn ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa ewé jẹ́ òun bẹ̀rù ọba ewé ajẹ́ àwọn lèmi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lòjọ́ dìgbọ́ ewé la ilaha illallah alawalu alakiru asọhiru abatinu ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde yé alárágbá yìí dániyàn ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn fásikúrú ni wọ́n síkúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa ewé